Hello everyone and welcome back to VoIP Knowledge. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure or test CDR API in the browser. So I have Grandstream IP PBX model UCM6302 and I'm going to enable CDR API settings. So to enable the settings, we need to click on the integration option and API configuration option. Here we have second option HTTPS API old settings, and here we have to, as you can see, we have username and the password to test the CDR API, and we need to enable permit IP address. So we need to whitelist IP address from where we can test this CDR API testings. So I'm just allowing my local network IP address. So anyone in the network can test CDR API from any IP address in the same network, and we can add up to 10 IP address here. So we can add multiple IP address like this, and then we need to enable CDR API, and as well we can enable recording API. CDR API is basically to fetch the UCM CDR data, and recording API is basically to fetch recording data from UCM side. So this can be done on Postman or any third-party software and can be integrated with the API. So we just enable these options to test the CDR API and now apply the changes. So once the changes applied, then we will test in the browser new tab. So here I'm going to open a new tab, and the URL for CDR API is https:// IP address of the UCM with the port number 8443, then slash CDR API question mark, and after that format equal to JSON. So first of all, I'm going to show you how the JSON format comes. So we have three options here: JSON, XML and CSV. So after typing this, press the enter key and go through the security consent. Now you will get the username and password option. So just enter the CDR API 1 to CDR API and CDR API 123 as username and password. This is the default username and password. So here we have the option of JSON data, and we can also see the raw data in JSON format, and this data can be used in call billing softwares, so they can generate a bill accordingly by the extension or the user wise. And now I'm going to show you the XML format of CDR API. So just change the format equals XML, and now we have the option to get the data in XML format. Similarly, we can get the data in CSV format. So just change the format equal to CSV and the file will be downloaded. So this file can be used by the developers, so they can integrate in their software, and it can be fetched through the CDR API. So in next video I'll be showing you how to test CDR API in Postman software, which is a third-party API integration tool. And if you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please continue watching the videos, and thank you again.